If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here. I just want to give a quick review of one of these fantastic Brazilian steakhouses here in Tampa, Florida. Let's check it out. Now, before we get started, let's go ahead and talk about the price. They do have various prices depending on if it's a holiday, if it's nighttime, if it's the weekend, things like that. I ended up getting the full experience during the lunchtime, so it's $37.95 before any drinks and stuff like that. And that is essentially the same experience you have at nighttime. It's just during the day, so it's a little bit cheaper. I highly recommend this if you're into meats and things like that. Get this lunch experience Monday through Friday. Again, it's about $40 after tax and stuff like that. It's not bad at all. Now, let's actually talk about this Brazilian steakhouse and how it works for those who may not have an experience with this type of event. So essentially, they give you a little card. It's going to have a red side and a green side. Red means stop. You don't want any more meats, any more foods. Green means yes, bring the meats over. Okay, so I finally sat down. I got my drink, got my sides, and now the meat. And here he comes. How's it going? Yes, sir. Oh, this is just one, please. Cool, thank you. Essentially, it's a walking buffet, so they do have a platter, a layout of food and stuff like that, which I'll show in a bit. But the main thing is the meats. They're going to come around with different just handles of meats, and I mean, essentially, they're going to ask you how much you want or what do you want to try and stuff like that. And it is a lot. Again, I can show a quick clip of the menu itself, but it seemed like they even had even more that was on the menu. It was a lot, and they were all extremely good. Oh my God, they were amazing.
Thank you. Okay, absolutely. How do you like, sir?
Sure.
Medium?
Medium, please.
Okay. How many slices you need, sir?
Just two, please.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Now, as we take a walk through the spread of food, let me just tell you, there is so much more here than just meats, as you can see. I mean, you have the traditional like salads and sides and rice and things like that, but they also bring premium dishes as well to your seat. So they'll bring like pineapple, for example, mashed potatoes, like freshly prepared mashed potatoes, just different things as well. So I'll go ahead and throw that in the video as well so you can see it. But essentially, if you don't like meats, you can still come here and have a good time. They have so much other food as well. And of course, you can get a reduced price if you don't want to have that full experience like I've been showing in the video. Now, this is actually the third Brazilian steakhouse that I've been to, and I thank you all for the comments you left on my Texas Day Brazil review. The garlic picanha, that is the best steak in the world. The way they season it and just the burnt ends, oh my God. Again, if you are a steak fan or a meat lover, this will be paradise. And again, if you don't like steak, I mean, you have options like chicken, pork, lamb, seafood, side dishes, things like that. The only thing I'm not familiar with is if they have some type of vegan menu. I doubt it, but again, I don't really know because I didn't check. Now, the last thing I want to touch on is the service. So outside of the host that first checked me in, maybe she was having a bad day. It was Black Friday, so I'm sure she was tired of dealing with people. Outside of her, the rest of the staff was phenomenal. I mean, the servers that had the meats on the poles and the sticks and stuff like that, they kept the meat stocked, and I mean, they were hustling, and they had the manager guy out there that was making sure everything was smooth. They were great. My actual waiter himself, he was great. He made sure my stuff was always stocked. He offered some specials for drinks and stuff like that, desserts, everything. I mean, even the cleanliness of the actual restaurant itself. It was, for all those people that was in there was no messy buffet, and there was no sloppy crumbs or nothing like that. The service at this restaurant, honestly, it was even better than the food because it was just such a good time, and it was like intimate as well. Like, even though there's groups in there, if you want to come on there with a date, and I actually went there solo, so it's by myself, but the actual setting and stuff like that, even during the day, it was a really intimate type of place. It was a very nice vibe for families, for date nights, for solos, for anybody. So with that said, for my review, this is definitely going to be a must-do. I mean, words can't stress enough how much I love these Brazilian steakhouses. So to have one that still offers the lunch specials Monday through Friday, and like I said, just the setting, the vibe, things like that, it feels different than Texas Day Brazil. Because the one I went into, I mean, during the day, it feels like you're like in a cafeteria because it's all bright and stuff like that. But this one still feels like a nice, low-key, just intimate style restaurant, even during the day, because the way they have the blinds shut down, stuff like that. It's very hard to explain, but as you all can probably see in the video, it's really dark in there, but it's like, it's a good dark. It feels like a nice, like I said, classy restaurant with really good food. So again, this is MrBucketlist. Make sure to check out my other food channel reviews. I'll see you soon. Peace out.